YouTube? What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Scooter. And in today's video, if you read about the thumbnail and title, man, we gonna be sliding a little bit while on the way to work, on the way to punch this clock, man. It's actually early in the morning, you know. It's around 6 a.m.-ish, 7 a.m.-ish. Still pretty early. So yeah, shit, we just finna be sliding and gliding. Feel me? No, don't nobody like really going to work, boy. I know I hate going, but just gotta make it fun and, you know, see it through, man, to the end. You feel me? I couldn't slide that little turn earlier. I can slide this one right here. Let's see. See what I can cook up real quick. Let's see. I can cook something up. Woo! There you go. That was a good one right now. I looked in the rear view, boy. Thing got a burning little smoky. Yeah, that was a real good one. I know they better like, what the heck? Yeah, this thing can slide when it wants to, no. I do this though for such a good while. Hell, I'm gonna need some more tires. But you know, yeah, what it is. That'll be okay. I'm honestly gonna go, I really feel like the angles, I feel like head mount angle gonna be the best angle. Cause every time I do head mount, you know, those tend to look pretty good. It's just that head mount, man, it be so, it's a lot to configure that thing. For real, like, it be so much to try and configure that thing. Okay. This one right here gonna get sticky. You gotta hold that thing in the road right here. We finna try it though. Watch this. We sure finna try it. Okay. Yeah, we held that motherfucker. That left hand, boy. Gotta strengthen that motherfucker up. We damn sure held it, though. That gonna come with some practice, man. You know, I don't never. Anytime I slide, I never do it left-handed, but they still worked it out, so it'll be all right. I widened all the way out when I did it. That's why when I widened it and I turned and I hooked back right, it jerked with me, you know. Y'all get what I'm saying, man. Y'all see it. So it is what it is. Hell, we making it to work now. So, you know. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, we actually back. And we back, but y'all can see the sun that went down, man. I didn't want to just end the POV off right there, so I felt like it was too early to be trying to end it, you know. I want to give y'all a good amount of content, so I said I was driving on the way to work, so why not drive on the way home too, you know? See what I'm saying? Y'all don't think that's a good idea? Yay, no. I don't know, but yeah, this is going on right now. So, you know, we cut up this morning. You know, we was sliding and shit. I want to slide some more. See, I'll probably give y'all like one more good one or two, three good one, depending on how I'm feeling. But you know, I'm gonna try to listen to these shifts real quick. Y'all gonna hear these every time. Y'all. Okay. Pull out at one time. One more. Okay. Up right here. Nothing's coming. Snatch up out of there. Okay. Guys, I don't know if this is the police behind me or what. I don't even want to drive crazy now because I don't know. I gotta figure that out real quick. I can't tell, man. Like, I hate these fake these non-police cars, like people that get police cars and not the police. That really bothers me. I'm so sick of that. But you know, that shit bothers me. Tell, like, I'm not sure, guys. All I know is he's on my trail. That's what I do know. But he can stay on my trail all he wants to, as y'all can see. Y'all see them lights. Them ain't police lights though, so I don't know. No idea. Can't tell. Let me see. And he got 10 on his he got 10 on his windshield, so I really can't tell. Okay, well, he kept going straight, so either way it go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. I got a great idea of what the next POV is gonna be. Y'all gonna love this next one, so you know. And now we got us a slow rider in front of us. They're cruising. Oh my gosh. Come on. And would you look at that? I'm so glad I did not come through here speeding. Because look who's sitting right there. The grace of God. Of course, they sitting right there. And they really done started sitting right there. That's so weird, bro. Like, it is what it is, man. I'm definitely going head mount this video though, for sure. So I could really give y'all, you know. Feel me? But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that right there just blew me, man. They sitting, that lets me know that they're definitely out right now. So we're just gonna top it off right here, man. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, this video. It was kind of all over the place, but at the same time it wasn't. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.